Hello folks, this is my bike that I purchased. It's called the Rattan, and it's the Rattan LF 48-volt 500-watt electric bike. As you can see, it says Rattan right there. These are the different angles, handlebars, and it has a charger that comes with it. Also a very comfortable seat. And you would take your other piece right here, and that would go right into the battery, which is located right here. The battery is a long battery. All you do is unscrew it. There we go. See? It opens. It's the hole, and this would go right in the hole. It's got seven here, 7 SIS index, okay? It also has a bell, which I found very helpful when I was out on my first ride. But most of all, I'll give you a nice view. Okay, you can adjust this all. This is a folding bike, folds. It's really not difficult. Once you get in the box, it's like 95% put together. And that back piece, you can put anything you want, use a bungee cord and whatnot. And you can purchase this bike on Electric Bike Paradise as I go along, showing you more specs.com. Okay, that's the box it came in. Okay, so you can get it. Just go to Electric Bike Paradise.com. And if you're interested in this model, which is a beautiful model, rides smooth too, this is called the Rattan LF 48-volt 500-watt fat tire. As you can see, the tires, they're a little fat, see? And that actually is considered the LF500. Beautiful. This is considered purple. It also comes in red, and I believe black. If you have any questions, call 800-590-2738. They're open from, I believe, Monday to Saturday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Beautiful model. It does fold. I can't go through that right now, but very simple. Okay, folks, and again, go to electricbikeparadise.com. Okay, take care. Have a good one. Bye.
If you want reliable bikes at a low guaranteed price, hop on to Paradise now. Visit us at electricbikeparadise.com, buy your dream bike on our website, and join our family of satisfied customers. We will ship your bike for free and give you exclusive promos and freebies.